to follow fashion. Me have my own style. Me have my own swag.
You follow fashion me. You follow fashion me.
Just go and take out your things.
You follow fashion me.
So what I was saying is that I have something like this in my court.
You follow fashion me.
People don't like this. Today is Sunday. Good morning. Welcome to the channel. Welcome to another video.
Be a frock.
Yeah.
Nice.
Still, me like the
have
arm.
the pink too.
Can see it better now. Me have something like it in my cart.
Listen to me, closet. Don't ramp with me this morning.
You want that the closet? The she in here sort out one whole heap of something, people. And her sister, she did sort out stuff over here before. And now the closet is looking so messy, I'm not even going to switch the camera around. That's what happens when you have too much stuff in there. The pink something they look like mine though.
Dirty.
Look like mine.
Yeah.
Mine is, me never wear it. Then why you give me fat and me never tell me say
you don't have space and nothing.
So you try give me fat, are you that wear it? Me never tell you say me want it. You throw across so like me tell you.
No, but you don't need to go along so me just that me not have space. So if me can't give you, me never have a problem.
Me not have no space either. Never tell you me I look close. Me come around here and sit down and do my thing. You know this people massager. Today is Sunday and I'm going to church in a few. I'm waiting for my breakfast. I'm boiling some eggs, so I'm waiting for it to be boiled. Tell gone already. Yeah. And Susanna in here I look work clothes and I confuse herself. She look confused over there. Very confused. You look confused, man.
Leave me and
so you want to give away some of them things there again? Why you want to give away out of there?
Nothing I have to give away. I mean good stuff there.
Yeah, you're pretty with it. Behold. Me. Last time you didn't want me help you, you must have think say me crazy.
No, you always sitting out of your borrow. You not get it. Remember me tell you. So record me so me can have evidence that when it happens, me can draw back for that for sure so you're not getting it.
Me no want a thing for you, miss. I'm quite fine.
Everything go ban man. You don't want help, if you don't want help, no come in and come ask for nothing. Nothing me I tell you.
No, I don't know that there, miss.
You're not easy.
May they ask you for anything this morning?
You did, but me never pay your mind. That's the difference.
Not true. I didn't ask you for anything. What's that? So is that a skirt or something?
A skirt, yes.
You don't wear that one. It's a nice skirt, you know. I'm not happy for you like that. I wait till it go up. But it fit you?
Of course it's supposed to fit me. Why not? Why it wouldn't fit me?
None of your things is supposed to fit you, miss. So you're going like you're confused. So you find one next skirt there? The problem is you have too much. Too much is the problem. Something drop out time black stick. Me think soon come so that me not have no mash up things over here because me not go and good as a vlogger. Not even one proper vlog stick. Much vlog stick me change. Trophy buy the cheap one them. That's why I just
cheap on
them. Are you buy Shein?
My Shein them not my problem.
It's alright, me buy something good.
Hello.
Me they have one proper one. But me they have to leave it elsewhere. Anyway, see you in the next clip. So I'm ready for church now, guys. No, Susanna dropped me. She not come with me this morning. I don't know which one I'm on and she go come with me. Which one you go come with me, girlie?
And they are present with us to ask God blessing and direction and guidance for their children. It's a wonderful thing, church. Amen? Amen. We thank God for such a wonderful thing. So,
another lazy afternoon. The clouds covered in gray. Third coffee of the day. Almost fell asleep on Zoom. I yawn at the display. Third meeting of the day. But I can hear raindrops tap dancing on the roof. It's like they're calling out, don't lose your youth. Cause I can stay inside and type away inside. Oh, make today just a little less mundane. Oh, I can stay inside and type away inside. Oh, take today, go dancing in the rain. Hey, woo, oh, na na When I was a little child, I naturally would see magic in the world around me. Now I often get so tired.
As you can see, guys, we're back from church. It's dinner time. Church was lovely today. Preaching was good. Hello, mother. My dinner. I did say hello before already, so it's not like I just come in and say hello and I answer dinner. I second hello. Oh, some mercy. I just want chicken. I don't want any oxtail. Yeah? Yeah, the leg quarter with vegetable, rice and peas, carrot juice. Yeah. Took off my clothes. Yeah, I took off my church clothes. Put back on my yard clothes.
Mommy.
It's mommy. I get my dinner here. I'm just gonna have my chicken.
Well, you're doing so much food.
It's not a lot. They will see what it is like. So
where's
don't tell
Tyler?
them that. Outside.
So he's not going to eat?
I'm gonna eat this.
So I'm gonna see him on the table.
I must go and look for the puss first. So, I'm showing them the dinner, people. Right, I'm having roast chicken with some mac and cheese, vegetables, and rice and peas with some oxtail gravy. Never feel for no oxtail. I love roast chicken. But like when she normally make the gravy for the roast chicken as well, like the bistro gravy, I like that. But the oxtail gravy, I do it for today. She never make no other gravy, but that's fine because I like roast chicken as it is. So I'm going to be digging into all of this goodness, and I have some carrot juice in here. So them kind of vibes. Tell her come sit down to eat. We're going out there and fast with the post before I come sit down for eating there. Let us dig in. So you go. You're not going to sit down and eat?
No.
So you go eat in your room? You can wear them there. Through this all suit. Alright. Tell her come sit down and leave the post now? No. Alright, I'm ready at this phone now. We found us a good rice and peas. We don't know good rice and peas. We don't see it. Good coconut milk. Because my mother don't like to use no coconut powder. She's not into that at all. So you know the good rich coconut milk. And the chicken is good. It's well seasoned. Juicy. Not dry out. Not dry out. Because I don't like when it dry out, you know. As you can see there, not trashing or anything like that. Tasty mac and cheese. Cheesy, man. Must Susanna make this? Tastes like Susanna make it. Mama, you make macaroni and cheese? Are you make mac and cheese or Susanna? Susanna make it? How me know so? I know so she make it based on how it tastes. I prefer how Susanna make it more how my mother make it. Don't tell her so I tell her no. But make sure say that alone she do. Because the vegetable, I remember so I leave my mother shred the vegetable and do everything else. It's another day in our lives, guys. Mama is gonna be picking some corn. The corns are ready, they're finally ready. And she not even wait until I come up close yet, you know, before she start. Oh, we know when they call them ready, miss. You just a walk and broke, so. Like, hold on, let me see. That one is ready?
This one can't come up, but you see them here, see Lego.
So once you Lego, that means say?
It fit.
It
but
fit.
You can open them to see how fit.
Okay. You know, me never know that, miss. Me that just come broke anyone and they look fat.
They were hard farm.
Oh, we don't want them to be hard.
Farm them, yeah.
Yeah.
We have to brought these.
Okay.
Let me go up this side.
Alright. And look how beautiful the cassavas are. Cassava them pretty though, mama. Cassava them pretty too. I hope whatever is underneath is as pretty as well.
None of this yet. So them here is a ketchup and thing.
Oh, okay.
And like I said, them are beer, but them have part to kill.
Okay. So how we skip so much I tree them? I just want them around the edge I pick.
I pick the picture one there.
Alright. Because you don't investigate the garden already and know which one ready, right? Okay.
First.
So how the corn selling go, like when them sell it at this in the town, when them sell it in the town?
The deer are in the town, you know. 1,200 dollars in the town.
And in the garden is how much?
800. Yeah, sell mine.
Okay.
They all sit now eat them.
So so they want to eat out. Right here, so. Oh boy. Yeah. So you have to cut off the top of that.
Send it to them. You saw them fit.
Yeah. Alright, let me see it up in the mama. Let
Send
me see
the
it more.
number to me. Alright, take care on the road, child.
Susanna go work. Yeah. Nice. So I want worm did I eat at the top, so you go just right.
Okay, let's cut off, huh?
Okay.
We can have food to eat.
Yes, we have to eat them, then we have to eat some of them. We have to sample these ourselves.
Yes, we say.
Yeah.
Cut them.
Oh. They well fit though. Look how them a pop out easy. Can you see how them pop out easy?
This don't fit though. That has still to go.
Oh. I get you. I get you. That's it. I call no name in a vlog man, but yeah, alright, me cut out it.
No man, tell them. Oh, this is fit now cut the can them, yeah, them are fit.
So they get one bucket full already.
1 dozen
For your niecey.
do that again. Who order for me?
You know, say your niece order for you.
Tell them order.
Right, me not put no name in the vlog, so that's why I say I call no name.
You can drop out.
So yeah, Susanna love tell me about me can't cut out. I don't do I give me more work to do. So you go empty that and come back with another bucket or what?
I don't broke no more, tell them order.
Okay, that's it wise.
You see if they don't want none, you don't make a plan for do?
Tell me.
Bag them up and freeze them.
Yeah.
And sell them from the freezer. You can't sell
You
them.
can't. Oh, okay.
Or get somebody boil them and sell them on roadside. But now make them hard.
Okay, don't make them hard. And you spend whole heap of energy on it, you know, because people don't see it on here too when she da water them and Susanna water them too, and sometimes this guy get paid for water them and thing. So yeah. So we can't eat off everything. Susanna the one. Susanna love canned soup, you know. Talking about the person we always go water it sometimes. See ma come there. Nels not come, mama. So, Susanna going to work and me do something for me now, but me got message her.
When I broke no more now, tell me get harder.
Oh, until you get more order. And that's a whole bucket full right there. Take up this. That's the corn. Hold on, people. Let me check your little girl here before she leaves. Wind down your window. See if you can. What you look for me like that? Try get one of the rubbish with us with your son. No, get it. Did I take you with this stuff? You have no money. We send it to your account. We send it to your account. Me not know
But I promise to say to my bike today. I have a full beer.
so like the one where me can fit into, me want to do the ice bath. So instead of buy something online.
But me not think if I see them the one day because Bashura Santa lockdown.
But the store already going out in a time then when we get all kind of stuff and we buy the fan in there and stuff. Then the store then I would have sell stuff like that.
Where was that?
In that time when we had shop out the Galang to daddy when we got Santa idea.
Remember what's a nice store.
Me not know where store.
One papa NHD.
We don't know what store name, we know we tap in there. And you get fan in there and something to buy. And then you buy the fashion piece in there.
I want papa NHD.
So when if you go there, just send me the size where they have. Get the, me have to immerse my body totally. I mean, I want to waste water.
Today can have a heavy day today. I may have lunch and then you come out to your office. So if I get it today tomorrow.
And then tomorrow, if anything. Alright, later, drive good. Oh, don't let me down, don't let me down. Alright. She gonna work and mama go and do fair thing here. So I could go on back with you know mama no bother. With the so I'll give you trouble after a while.
Come in and chop out, not this.
Oh yeah, inspect, but make we inspect them around there and do everything. Then you not go shell them out?
No, me not shell
Oh,
them.
you not shell them when you...
Me not shell them. Me just a look on them and them be.
Okay.
Since we back there,
Okay.
chef one me I take out now.
Alright. She want a dozen?
Dozen.
Okay. Them pretty though.
2, what's that? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. $800. You get one penny. This one hard, sir. Yeah, hard. Some people love somebody calling them hard. See that? You see it?
Mm-hmm.
This is for Hillret and that is for Chevron.
Every time I tell my man I have a call on him in a vlog. It's alright. Our family no matter. Mm-hmm.
My girl over this stuff come never ask.
Oh, okay. But she love it. She love it, you know. So she probably want the whole garden.
Yeah, bro. Tell me.
But me have to go try get a message to my friend over there where they say she want a dozen. You never get no nobody will have her number. Me should have say it for yesterday day at church. Me never remember.
Because I could have made chef and drop them off for me, you know.
Mommy think if you pick her and make them drop you, I should have take them because she said she want.
Then me know, mommy, I got broke you.
Right, so you have to broke it for her and she had the first order.
I
Right.
got broke you now.
Might as well and send it go.
This is a fish. I no bag for them, you know.
Alright guys, so tell me what I'm going down here now.
I come from the corn garden farm too.
From the farm. Guys, I've been showing you this pumpkin from the other day, you know. So mama went ahead and pick it. But me didn't want to be a part of the process. Why you pick it and never call me before?
When you pick it, I got to be call you.
Got it pretty though. But think say that gonna make it stay a little longer. But the tree drive far on, you know.
No, yeah, alright. Me no want to no more on this year.
Yeah.
So me go boil cook piece now.
Yeah.
And a piece of my good. It could have fit more. It could have done longer, but me no want to. It's alright.
It's alright.
So I'm gonna give Brownie one piece off of it.
That's your sister.
Yes.
That's it. Hear that
I'll
sound?
give Brenda a piece off of it.
Okay.
So she always give me a piece of pumpkin sometime.
Yeah.
Put it in the bag so boil your corn soup.
That's it. Yeah. Okay, I get the picture now because of the can soap. So whosoever I get them can, I get bonus. I get whosoever I get them can today, I get bonus bunny. Don't mind me, head people. Guys, have you ever seen this type of banana before? They are so big, and the color of it, as you can see, is not the regular yellow or green that you would see. Right? So what you call this? Purple, red. I guess they have a name for this kind of banana, but Mama says she call it bumpy banana, the colored one them. So what you call this kind of banana, people? Kind of banana you call this? Froggy banana, bumpy banana, banana. I'm gonna have one right now, and pretty much inside of it is a regular color banana inside. It's not colored inside or anything, right? See, as you can see. And it tastes just as sweet as a regular banana. Hey, mother, what are you up to this morning?
I'm creating my can. All time people think.
Ah,
Jamaican porridge.
corn porridge.
Yeah, make it strong and nice. That's the old time people used to do it.
Okay.
Yes.
I've never had corn porridge, you know.
We have to have it this morning.
But you're almost finished.
Don't you know, but still have to get two more can.
Okay, so this is going to make the porridge. Alright, so how you make that?
Same like how you make the cornmeal porridge. Well, the water and mix up the throw in a head.
Yeah?
You grate your coconut
And put in the things them in there?
your cinnamon and your nutmeg and your vanilla.
Okay. Well, I'm looking forward to having some.
Good porridge, so.
Yeah, okay. Ready.
Let me think.
So this is the result of the corn porridge, guys. Corn porridge, Lord God. I hope this not burn me up. See things that people do for short things. Right, corn porridge. Alright, I'm going to taste it and see how it go. I don't know if I like the consistency of it. Because I like stuff smooth in my mouth when it comes to porridge. Like cornmeal, stuffy. You get me what I mean? Try You ever drink this, Susan?
Certain things we're not engaged in, Ina.
So you know what this is?
No, sir.
I like it.
By drinking?
Tastes like mine. I have to drink it. I have to drink it, yeah. I don't drink coffee, you know.
That's like kill you there.
Drink up your porridge. Tastes like cornmeal porridge, but just lumpy. Face not even wash good. My face not even wash good. I come on camera talk like something nice. Just take up camera first thing in the morning. Yeah. Keep it real. That's the thing.
Ah.
Alright, Arthur. Just drinking it because I don't want nobody rush me, but tastes like cornmeal porridge. That is not smooth. That's how it tastes. And it tastes like in a
What else did it expect if it tastes like this? Cornmeal, corn porridge.
And it tastes like young corn. Because you know say young the corn them never like dry or anything. Or mature. It was a young corn, so young corn business. Later. Guys, it's a beautiful morning. I'm out here having my coffee. I called Susanna to come and sit with me just to, you know, just to sit and chat. Susanna?
Yes, Shawee.
You still not coming?
No.
You know you mustn't be like that.
Don't stress me out.
I must have stressed you out. I don't know why you want to stay in a hot house. You not come outside and go drink your coffee.
You don't drink a long time. You not be a sip.
Yes, you say you want just a little sip. So me think you'd go take your little time and sip on it. I'm pretty sure you don't mind people. So I have a haul that I want to do today, you know. I have a haul that I'm gonna do. I finally got my ring light, by the way, which is very good. So I can start shooting sit-down videos that I really want to, and that I can shoot anytime at all, no matter the time of day it is. Because at times I usually try to shoot when the the lighting is good. Time to do some stretches. Susanna, come back again. Oh, no, see me. Come back on, do it one more time. Please. Stretch my body, people. Stretch every limbs. Supposed to go to church this morning. One more time.
Adults are talk, man.
Alright, so we'll start again, people. We started a while ago, but what was we're going to do now?
Hairstyle, oh.
Nothing wrong with your hairstyle. You wash your hair and you plait it, nothing wrong with that.
My grandmother,
She look like her grandmother still in it? Yo!
they hear it.
We have our grandmother, man, so people will have local stuff we want to show now. Not a lot. I have some stuff from Amazon. Susanna has some stuff from Shein because, you know, she's a Shein girl and I'm the Amazon girl, right?
No,
How you go?
and that's how you go.
That's how it go.
Do you know how Amazon Shein package a come?
Yeah, but this in this video is just Amazon. So you're Shein, I'm Amazon, okay? Right. She a Shein girl. She loves Shein.
You love Shein.
Susan, you love Shein. If you could have buy everything pan
No,
Shein.
that's a lie. You know some me you can't get brand pan Shein? No.
You can't get brand pan Shein. No.
And you know some me a brand master. But you have to mix it with them and something too. You can't go brand all the time.
No, you know, like the
Exactly.
clothes and them things there. You can, but the bags and them things. But you mix it up. You mix it up. Nothing wrong, you know,
Me say
girl.
nothing the way I do.
Cheap and clean is fine.
I didn't say anything.
Right.
If I had a problem, I would come on here with it.
Right.
And my money buy, you know. And I beg you.
Now we want your money.
True, me not buy myself nothing. Anything me get, I beg me, beg you.
You know, about you just have to say, my money buy.
Anyways, I got a pair of boots, guys. I got these for work. These nice brown shoes. I'm not gonna try them on for you guys. You know, so if you see them and you see my foot, you know how it's there. Aren't they cute? Bad man boot for work, yeah. So this is the second pair that I have for work because me they tell me so me I go back to work and them thing there. So me please if you have two pair of shoes so me can change them, yeah. So Susanna, you now show your things them now.
You
so
go
me
ahead,
can
go
go and
ahead,
then you
go
show
ahead, go
after
ahead,
me
yeah.
one.
Go ahead. Yeah.
And enough
Amazon
me,
in one
and enough
package.
me have enough. Enough something me have
Well,
to
nobody
show.
look for me as backup.
Back up,
Yeah, the back up.
Back you
Let me
up.
see.
Back on you, back you up.
Yeah, the back up.
Back up and stuff.
Well, these I won't take out of the pack and show you because I don't believe in taking out underwears and showing all over this. This is just a pack of black underwears. Because when I'm wearing my white dress, my white uniform, I like to wear, well, you have to wear a black underwear. Anything else is going to show under there. So you always make sure so you have a set of black underwears to wear. So this is a whole pack. I think this is a pack of 6, by the way. But I have to get some more either way. So I'll put this out the way. I ain't stretching out anything on the screen.
New
showing
shoes,
you.
new panty, new dress, new everything.
Yeah, and I have a nice little watch in here. It's a nursing watch. Or a nurse's watch. Let me show you the one that you see us wearing on here.
Up to the time.
Up to the time. So it's cute. Let me show you guys. Right. So if you do have questions about why we wear this kind of watch, it's basically for timekeeping in terms of like recording. If you're recording like your respiration, like how fast you're breathing per minute or how fast your heart rate is or your pulse rate is per minute. So that's why we wear it. And each time we're documenting, we have to document the time there are vehicles passing by. So I'm a bit distracted.
Yo, girls! I get like a camera. Oh, because the road code, so they must wear a helmet. So, what that's not a helmet. Well, them girls.
Ay, mama never done say too much in the video. No,
I'm not saying that.
come now, cut out nothing. I got a little watch battery in there, extra battery because it already came with one in there. So it's basically to record time and all of that. Yes, so I get my things then, man. What else do I have? Oh, I was telling you guys about the ring light. Spoke about it in the last video. I finally got a ring light because every day somebody if you carry one fan firing for me and it just always not work out. So I finally ordered it on Amazon. So I got a nice one that Susanna is gonna fix up after this video for me. Right, I don't even pull it out the pack or anything yet, but Susanna, you know, say your job that, right?
My job.
Yeah. And they have all different kind of light, something warm and cool and all of everything there. But you don't know how ring light look, people. But what I like about this, it's sturdy. It's not the flimsy stuff them. And we didn't always have ring light, you know, people, but I'm getting at that right now. We just did need another one. So you can see this here, yeah man, I sturdy stuff and I know flimsy things, so I can record my videos them. Especially the sit down ones and stuff that I'll need the ring light and so forth. You guys get it. So we
People
can
breeze a kill we out here.
But why would you choose to come sit down out here, so and do it?
Because it's cool.
Cool, I know you want to come out here now. You see when me that call her this man, if you come out here so come sit down and make we drink the tea, now is when she want to come out here.
That's
so
right. Now is when I want to.
No, you must do
Hear the
things
word when I want
way.
to.
You always want people to
Your way, you're going to do it your way, because your way is not the right way.
My mind in background people, so what she has say. Me have to tell her say she can't say certain thing in her video because it may
No, I pick up.
even if you whisper, it will pick up everything I pick up in her
All
head.
I have to take you out. You can't take out.
I can take it out, but I don't always want to split out the video.
Oh.
Okay, chop out the video when you have to take out certain things. Right? That's what I wanted before we start the video, you know, miss. It look like you didn't want to be a part of the video. We should have just put you in the middle.
No, but we can't say something but we're not supposed to say. Like,
Things like that. Right.
Right,
right.
right.
Dropping something just to it.
Yeah.
Alright, go on, Susie, I have nothing else to show.
Right, so I got me these nice earrings from Shein, of course. Let me take it out and show them.
Let me try it.
Honestly, so me not have
Let
ears.
me figure out. I mean, if I know, say you not have no earring.
Ooh,
They're nice.
I never know, so they're so big, you know, I thought they were smaller, but yeah, rich auntie.
Yeah, get that kind of buzz there.
Yeah,
Come over and I can
Put it back in.
Yeah.
So I think I got this for about $2.
$2 for this.
Yeah, about $2.
About
Right.
pay more 50 cents for this. A joke.
And I have another pack here. No, I didn't expect these to be so huge, but just like me, sometimes I don't read. I just see something and say cute and buy it, but I don't mind nonetheless because big hoops are wear. Me like hoops, so yeah. But them kind of big still, but it will work.
Let me show them one while they
It work.
struggle with that. Yeah, them nice.
Let's ears will cock up.
And that's why I tell us if you showcase if you buy
Yeah,
put
fix
it.
it bad.
Yeah, fix it bad.
You get a piece of back, you put it to so you see it, so you don't fix it.
Oops.
I'm sure now I put in people show over there struggle. See it there.
Alright,
Show now how girl put in earring pass. Yeah.
I put in the past I can't go wear it.
And then it's Shawee.
Not true, mama. If it
Shawee.
fit me, not
So
true.
you try saying fit me?
If it's Shawee, but you don't put it on. No, if it's there, it's not your ears. You have to sit in the yard. Put it on and then we tell you if it fits you.
Come, guys.
Put it back in your bag.
We keep trying to do
Yo, well, let me try it. Take out your stuff, them man, pay me, no man.
No, me pay your mind because you distract me.
Yeah, distract you.
Alright, so you see why what's happening exactly.
Me know me, I don't know if you're putting earring. No matter say fit me keep them in. Go on with the rest of the video.
Take them out.
I don't want
No.
to.
Take it out. Put it back
And
in
then
the
here a
bag.
blue and everything there.
Here, put them back in your
I
bag.
have a buzz.
And I bought a small chain as well. You know them a little
That's cute too.
flimsy thing here and them really last and I say put things, what you call it? You call it something?
Huh?
You call it something they put on the nail hardener so you not change.
Yeah.
But these are like, you know, fashion thing. It's a real good. Yeah, nice. Yes.
Put it back in the car.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing, yeah? Don't let that blow away. Yeah, so put it back inside. Hold this.
So I have to use it.
No, because I want to put them back up. I don't have the space. So.
Yes, right.
So, and I bought this as well, guys. It's like an African necklace. Two-tone, black and red. So it's stretchy. So you just put it over your head like this. And you wear it like that. Or you can turn it around like this. And I wore it already with my dress the other day. And it was nice. People give me compliments. Yeah. Say nice. You didn't see me? You don't see
Yes, I
me?
wear with one of our dress but I work the other
Monday.
day.
I wore it Monday.
Me like it too.
Yeah.
Why you not like it?
I like it, but I don't see her in her.
Well, yeah, guys, $2. So I have here a little jacket, camouflage, army looking. So yeah, I like these. Well, I always like this type of print. The bottom have a little stretch to it, which is good. So it can be worn just as is, or you can put a top underneath if you choose to. But I probably just wear it as is. This is a large, so it has space. It's not tight. Tight, so it's good to go.
Nice.
Yeah. And I bought myself a shorts because the last one for me did buy. No, Mama. I gave you the money to buy it in Junction, didn't I? No.
She tell her say, you say you want to buy the junction.
Right.
Oh, you buy back one of their shorts?
Yeah, because the last one I did buy couldn't fit me, fit Shein.
Fit me.
So I ensured that I bought the right size. This is a large and this has stretch. And it fit me, trying to
Yes.
Yes.
What I need to, as a matter of fact, I have 2 black shirts like those.
I have another black one too, but the color kind of go now. Even though you wouldn't even notice it if you wear it at night.
Show them up in the studio that far.
Me know. So this is it.
Nice.
Hot.
How much
Yeah.
is that?
I don't remember the pricing for this, honestly. I don't remember the pricing.
Probably less than $10, I don't know.
No, I don't think it's less. Maybe about 11 something. But in a less than 10.
Okay.
And I have another cut-off short. Somebody buy, couldn't fit me, and I had to give she.
Right, so no must know the size and not my fault. So
No, that's not the thing. It didn't have any stretch. And sometimes when you read the review, it did throw me off. So that's why I didn't really love that one day. You know, honestly, kind of nice. Because I didn't have a plan for it. You know, people, I didn't have a plan for it with me. Nike shoes and one nice white top, but it just never go over the bottom any at all. So I got this one and it fits. It fit me.
Come closer, then see
It fit me, full of stretch. It fit me.
Nice, that nice.
So, and I bought this in what? Large as well too. The others are when me buy the large too, you know. But it just that it never have any stretch. Hence why it never fit. Right? So, in a nutshell, that's what I bought.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, you don't have nothing else in there?
No.
So you're not going like you had enough more than me, so.
No, I said I have other things, but I can't bother to take them up.
You need to take them up, man. You should have even try and make see how it fit you. You can try and I put the
No,
clip
so
in
I
there.
not had a time today. You must taking off her clothes.
Quarter second to
Me
take
not
off your
try
shorts
and
and try and but the eye.
But you know, you're not mood to try.
That's how she's staying.
But no, they get an idea of how it fits so that
Well,
they
they get the idea how it look.
because they will see her body type and then see how it fits and say if they want to take it or not. That's how we do it. We see how
So,
people try and thing.
But
And
it's large and you know how my body look already.
a strong body, she strong. That's why the 2 last shots when she did buy, she did too strong for it and it fit me.
Right.
I mean, have plans for it too, because she said she have plans for it. I had planned to buy something like the light color blue one.
Don't necessarily know me see like a something.
Mama,
That's how we said,
stop the one.
we have a video, just relax, it's almost done anyway. Alright people, I look like my body want to take over this and show it here, so. We'll come to the end of Mama talk make us finish the video now. We're soon done. And you can talk after. So we have come to the end of the video, guys. We don't have anything else to show for now. Right? Please remember to like up the video. Comment down below. Tell them where to comment to tell us that they have completed all of this video.
Mama.
Mama, comment mama down below. Like it up, share it out, all the good things them. Subscribe if you are not already subscribed. And also please watch the ads. I'm gonna put up the storefront yet. My God. I'm gonna put up the storefront there, which I'm gonna do it right now. Give me the picture. The picture me keep on until they give me so we can put on this so we can share the link.
They charge you for one.
So if one
Use the same picture that you have. That's what I said to you. So that people will know it's us.
Alright.
Yeah.
You just want
It's not charging. I just didn't turn it on and plug it in. That's the difference.
Alright, Susie. So me can just use that same picture.
Yeah. Now we see one.
I will say, man, maybe want something fresh up on this still. Because if you share the storefront on the last one, I never do it a lot of time. But I'm going to make sure I share it on this. So if you guys are interested in the items that we have bought on here, I'll just put it down below and you click on the link and you go and you buy if you want it. That's in support of us too. So if you support it like that, if you're interested, just buy through our link, right? Means you're supporting your favorite girls, Shawee and Zan. Thank you for watching. And my girl Shawee saying peace out.
A little bit, guys. Take care.
Bye bye. Mama,
See
you
you
want to tell them later because of your video.
Later, people. And I saw me there, me love chat up.
Yeah, you love chat up. I want to Mama not afraid of talking. Okay, if you ever interview her, tell your bye people. Bye bye.